By the end of this video, you'll be able to convert improper fractions to mixed numbers as if it were nothing. But first, let's look at the definitions. An improper fraction is when the numerator is greater than the denominator. For example, 6 over 5. As you can see, the numerator, which is the number on top, in this case is greater than the denominator, which is the number on the bottom. Therefore, this is an improper fraction. A mixed number, on the other hand, is when you have a whole number plus a fraction. For example, 3, which is a whole number, and then a fraction. For example, 1 over 4. So this is an example of a mixed number. Now that we know this information, let's convert a couple of improper fractions to mixed numbers. Part A is 21 over 4. The first thing to do is see how many times can we put 4 into 21. 4 times 4 is 16, 4 times 5 is 20, and 4 times 6 is 24. So 24 is too much, we've gone over. So 4 times 5 is 20, which is the one that gets closest. So we put 4 5 times into 21. So 5 is the number we put on top. And then 21 minus 20 leaves us with a remainder of 1. Okay, now how do we write this information into a mixed number? So 21 over 4 is equal to, remember, a whole number. In this case, the whole number is going to be the number on top, so 5. And then the numerator of the fraction is going to be the remainder, 1, over the denominator, which is the same, so 4. Now let me color code this so it's a bit clearer. The whole number is the number we get on top. The numerator of the new fraction is the remainder we get in the division. And finally, the denominator stays exactly the same. So in this case, 4 stays exactly the same. Very good. So let's carry on to the next exercise. So 17 over 5. So again, first we need to see how many times can we put 5 into 17. So 5 times 3 is 15. 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 we've gone over. So 5 times 3 is the one that gets closest. So we put 5 3 times into 17. Then 17 minus 15. And it leaves us with a remainder of 2. Okay. Now let's rewrite this as a mixed number. So again, remember, the number on top is the whole number, so 3. And then the remainder is the numerator, 2, and then the same denominator. Very good. What about part C, 49 over 7? So how many times can we put 7 into 49? So 7 times 6 is 42, and 7 times 7 is actually 49. It's actually exactly what we need. So in this case, we have no remainder. So this means that we don't need to convert this into a mixed number, but simply a whole number, so 7. Okay? Very good. And then the last one, 34 over 8. So how many 8s do we put into 34? So 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 5 is 40. So 40 we've gone over. So 8 times 4, which is 32, is the one that gets closest. So 4 on top. And then 34 minus 32 leaves us with a remainder of 2. Therefore, we can rewrite this improper fraction as 4. And then the numerator is the remainder, remember? So 2 on top, and then the same denominator again. Very good. So that's it for today. And let me know down in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them.